Hello everyone, this is a video about 13 essential vitamins and it is a sort of a guide giving all information about A, D, E, K and B and C vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins are the organic compounds, or you can say carbon containing compounds, which are needed in a very small amounts for the maintenance of normal metabolic functions in our body. They are classified into two categories based on their solubility. First, water soluble. Second, fat or lipid soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamins and vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins. Now let us collect the information about these vitamins. Start with vitamin A. It is a fat soluble vitamin and its chemical name is retinol. Now note one important point. Beta carotene is the precursor of vitamin A and this beta carotene changes into vitamin A in the liver. Come to the function of vitamin A. It is needed for good vision and for healthy skin, and also it is a powerful antioxidant that may reduce the risk of cancer. Come to deficiency. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness where the person is unable to see in the dark, and also there is dry, itchy and inflamed skin, which is a type of eczema. Now come to the sources. Good sources of vitamin A are apricots, carrots, pumpkin, spinach, cheese, butter and eggs. Another fat soluble vitamin is vitamin D, and it has two main forms, vitamin D3 and vitamin D2. The chemical name of vitamin D3 is cholecalciferol and chemical name of vitamin D2 is argocalciferol, and both these forms are well absorbed in small intestine. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट नोट कीजिए, जब हमारी स्किन सनलाइट से एक्सपोज होती है देन इट कैन मेक विटामिन डी by using cholesterol. So it is also called as sunshine vitamin. See the function. It is necessary for absorption of calcium and thus makes the bones and teeth strong, and its deficiency may cause rickets in children and osteomalacia, or you can say softening of bones in adults. Now see the sources. Other than exposure to sunlight, mushrooms, egg yolk, fatty fish, beef liver are some good sources of vitamin D. Next fat soluble vitamin is vitamin E, tocopherol. It is the vitamin which is solely synthesized by photosynthetic organism, or you can say it is synthesized by the organisms who perform photosynthesis. Now see the function. It is a good source of antioxidant and protects the cell walls, and its deficiency is seen very rare, but it may cause hemolytic anemia in newborn babies. This condition destroys blood cells. Now come to the sources. Sources of vitamin E are almonds, nuts, vegetable oils, seeds and leafy green vegetables, etc. Vitamin K, another fat soluble vitamin, also found in two forms, vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. Vitamin K1 is phyloquinone and vitamin K2 is menaquinone. And note important point, vitamin K2 का chief source है bacteria which are present in large intestine. These bacteria can do synthesis of vitamin K2. Now see the function. Vitamin K is needed for proper blood clotting, and its low levels, or you can say its deficiency, may cause unusual susceptibility to bleeding or bleeding diathesis, where excessive blood loss takes place as blood is unable to clot. Now see the sources. Sources are natto, leafy greens, pumpkins, figs, parsley, etc. These are some of the good sources of vitamin K. Now let us move to water soluble vitamins. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is a water soluble vitamin. Note important point about vitamin C. Humans cannot do synthesis of vitamin C, so it is required from outside for good health. See the functions of vitamin C. It is an antioxidant. It is a part of an enzyme needed for metabolism. It is important for immune system and it aids in iron absorption. Come to deficiency of vitamin C. It causes scurvy, means having spongy and bleeding gums, loss of teeth, poor tissue growth and poor wound healing. Now see the sources. Fruits and vegetables, especially citrus fruits, are good source of vitamin C. But remember, cooking destroys vitamin C. Vitamin B. There are 8 vitamins which come under vitamin B, and together they are called as vitamin B complex. The first one is vitamin B1. It is a water soluble vitamin and its chemical name is thiamine. Note important point about vitamin B1. It is a colorless organosulfur compound with characteristic odor and bitter taste. See its function. It is a part of an enzyme needed for energy metabolism, and its deficiency causes beriberi and Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, which is a type of brain disorder. Now come to good sources of vitamin B1. The good sources of vitamin B1 are cereal grains, whole grains, cauliflower, legumes and nuts. Next vitamin B is vitamin B2 or riboflavin. It is an important component of flavin adenine dinucleotide yani FAD, and also it is an important component of flavin mononucleotide, or you can say FMN. Now see the function of vitamin B2. It is essential for growth and development of body cells and also helps in metabolism of food. Deficiency of vitamin B2 causes ariboflavinosis, and its symptoms include inflammation of lips and fissures in mouth. And its sources are grains, dairy products, mushrooms and almonds. Vitamin B3, niacin. It is another water soluble vitamin which comes under vitamin B complex. Note important point about vitamin B3. It can boost levels of good HDL cholesterol and lowers the bad LDL cholesterol. Now see the functions of vitamin B3. It is a part of an enzyme needed for energy metabolism, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or you can say NAD. It is also important for digestive system. Now see the deficiency disease. Pellagra is the deficiency disease of niacin, which causes diarrhea and intestinal upset. Good sources of vitamin B3 are meat, fish, mushrooms, eggs, leafy green vegetables. Pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, it is the next in the line of vitamin B complex. It is necessary for formation of coenzyme A. See its main function. It is necessary for producing energy and for producing hormones. Deficiency symptoms of vitamin B5 include paresthesia. It is an abnormal sensation typically like pricking pins and needles. ऐसा लगता है किसी ने prick कर दिया हो pins and needles को. Now see the sources. Vitamin B5 is widespread in foods. विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स का नेक्स्ट विटामिन है विटामिन B6. इट्स केमिकल नेम इज पायरिडॉक्सिन. Important point about vitamin B6 is higher the protein consumption, higher the dietary need of vitamin B6. If you consume more proteins, then you have to take more vitamin B6 as it is very essential in protein metabolism. Also, vitamin B6 is vital for RBC production. Deficiency of pyridoxine causes anemia. This anemia is microcytic anemia in which size of RBC is smaller than normal. Deficiency of vitamin B6 also causes dermatitis and cracks at the corners of mouth. Some of the good sources of vitamin B6 are meat, starchy vegetables and fruits other than citrus. Biotin, vitamin B7. It is also called vitamin H. It helps in metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Also, it contributes to the formation of keratin, which is a structural protein in skin, hair and nails. Deficiency of biotin causes dermatitis and inflammation of intestine, and its sources are raw egg yolk, liver, peanuts and vegetables. Vitamin B9, another water soluble vitamin of vitamin B complex. Its chemical name is folate. Note important point about vitamin B9. Folate is a natural form of vitamin B9 while folic acid is its synthetic form. Folate is essential for making DNA, RNA and also help in the production of red blood cells. Deficiency of folate during pregnancy can affect fetus's nervous system. Doctors always recommend folic acid supplement before and during pregnancy. Beans, eggs, nuts, papaya, green leafy vegetables are some good sources of vitamin B9. Last vitamin is vitamin B12, also called cobalamin. It is not found in plant foods. Vitamin B12 is essential for healthy nervous system and also it is vital for red blood cell production. Low level of vitamin B12 may cause neurological problems and anemia. Sources of vitamin B12 are meat, fish, egg, milk and milk products. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.